Good morning. Welcome to the another exercise 3.5. There is a word problem of fractions. Your first question is Bhumika bought 5 by 9 kg of flour. She repacked it equally into 15 packets. Like Bhumika, she has 5 by 9 kg of flour and she she filled all the flour into 15 such packets. Find the weight of one packet of the flour in kg. And if she sold 7 packets of flour, how many kilograms of flour did she sell? So first, total weight of flour is 5 by 9 kg. So if total packets is equal to 15 packets, meaning weight of 15 packets is equal to 5 by 9 kg. Weight of one packet is 5 by 9 divided by 15 gives you 5 by 9 into 1 by 15, 1 by 27 kg. And weight of 7 such packet is, you multiply the quantity of one packet, like one packet 1 by 27 gram and 7 packet 7 multiply into 1 by 27 kg. So that is 7 by 27 kg. Now your second question is Sarika prepared a squash from tomato, apple and carrot juice. Sarika prepared some juice at home. She added tomato, apple and carrot juice. 1 by 3 of the squash was tomato juice, 2 by 3 of the remainder was carrot juice. How much was left? That is 2 by 3 part will be taken as the carrot juice, and squash was 315 milliliter of the squash was carrot juice. Actually total carrot juice is 315 milliliter. And you have to find the volume of the squash was apple juice. How much volume is added of the apple juice in it? Because in your question only they said 1 by 3 of the squash was tomato juice and 2 by 3 of the remainder was carrot juice, that is 315 milliliter. But apple juice quantity is not given. So for finding the apple juice quantity, first you have to find how much total quantity of squash is there. So first we consider that volume of the squash is equal to x milliliter. Tomato juice according to the statement is 1 by 3 of x is 1 by 3x. And remaining volume is x minus 1 by 3x. When you take x common, 1 minus 1 by 3, because here 1 is there. If no numerical part is there, we consider as 1. If you take x common, 1 minus 1 by 3. Now when you find the LCM, 1 minus 1 by 3 is 3 minus 1 by 3 gives you 2 by 3 of x. That is the remaining volume. And carrot juice is 2 by 3 part of the remaining volume, that is 2 by 3 of 2 by 3 of x. Then when you multiply, that gives you 4 by 9x. That actual quantity is given in your question. Carrot juice is equal to 315 milliliter. When you compare with each other, 4 by 9 moves on other side, divided by 315. When divide changes into multiply gives me 9 by 4. Then x is equal to 708.71. That is the total quantity of squash. And among tomato juices, 1 by 3 of x. When you substitute the x value, 708.75 gives you total quantity of tomato is 236.26. Now according to the statement, when you add these three parts of juices, total quantity is 708.75. We already found that. Among that, tomato juice we already found, carrot juice is given to us, and apple juice we have to find. For finding the apple juice, we add these two and subtract from 708.75 gives me 157.49, and round off is 157.50 milliliter. Now third question is, Kuldeep had a sum of money. He said 1 by 4 of it. He spent 4 by 9 of the remaining on a suitcase. And what fraction of his money was spent on suitcase and what fraction of his money was left? Kuldeep said 1 by 4 remaining is, and we already know that whole part of the money we consider as one part. 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4 part is remaining money is left. Now spending on suitcase is 3 by 4, like 4 by 9 part of the remaining money, like 4 by 9 of 3 by 4, that gives me 1 by 3. So fraction of money was spent on suitcase is 1 by 3 part. Now fraction of money left is, when you add this total spend, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 gives me 7 by 12, and subtract from the whole part 1 minus 7 by 12 give me 5 by 12 part. Next is your fourth question. Each month Rima spent 1/3 part of her salary, saves 3/8 of the remainder, and share the rest of her salary to the equal among her mother, brother and sister. So you will have to find how much money each three family members will get. First, fraction of the Rima is considered if total money is equal to 1. Money spent is 1/3 part, 1/3 part, and remaining salary is 1 minus 1/3 part is 2/3 part. When you subtract, that gives you 2/3. How much money is saved? That is 3 part of the remainder. Remainder is 2/3, and 3/8 part of 2/3 part will be 1/4 part. So that is saved. Now money spent on family members. Money spent on family members means 1/3. You have to subtract. First you have to know how much money she spent, like 1/3 and 1/4. Actually she spent this 1/3 and 1/4 part. First you have to add this, how much her expenditure is there. Okay, so you have to add this and subtract from the whole part of the money. Money spent on family members, 1 minus 1/3 plus 1/4. When you find the LCM, that gives you 7/12. After subtraction, 5/12. It means total money spent on family member is 5/12. Now have you find how much each family member will get. If there are 3 family members, you divide by 3, because you have to divide among 3 people. Then 5/12 into 1/3, 5/36. It means each one get the fraction of 5/36. Now question number 5 is, Kavita had 9600 rupees and 1/4 part of the money she spent on the shoes, and spent for dress. Spent for dress means 1/6 of the remainder money. First you have to find spent for shoes is 1/4 of 9600. 1/4 of 9600 is 2400 when you calculate. And first you have to find how much remainder money she has left after spending on shoes. 9600 minus 24, 7200. It means her remainder money is 7200. Now you have to find 1/6 of remainder money. Remainder money is 7200. 1/6 of 7200 is 1200. Now total money spent by her. She spent on the dress 1200 and spent on the shoes 2400. That is 3600. So how much money left at the end of the day with her is 9600 minus 3600. You have to subtract the expenditure from the total money. You will get the money left 6000 rupees. Now your sixth question is, Shivani had 288 posters. She sold 2/9 of the poster to her relatives, 1/3 of them to her friends, 2/9 of the total poster to the relatives, 1/3 of the total posters to friends. How many posters were sold to both her relatives and friends? You have to find how many total posters sold both friends and relatives, and how many were left for unsold. You have total poster is given to you, 288 poster sold to relatives. 2/9 of 288 gives you 64 poster, and sold to friends 1/3 of 288 poster gives you 96 poster. And total sold poster is 96 by 64 is equal to 160 poster. Unsold poster is 288 minus 160 is 128 poster is left to sort. Next is 7th question. A herd of cows give 4 liters of milk each day. Herd means one area, like one farmhouse is given to you, and there is group of cows is present there. Okay, every day when person went there to bring the milk, every day he will get 400 liters. Okay, but each cow gives 1/3 of the total milk. Milk given by one cow for everyday basis is 1/3 of 4/4 liter. That is 4/3 liter. It means one cow gives 4/3 liter of milk. You have to find how many number of cows were there in the herd. Number of cows is milk given by herd in one day, and milk given by one cow. Here will be one day. कि एक दिन में जितना हर्ड से मिल्क कलेक्ट होता है डिवाइडेड बाय एक काउ जितना मिल्क देती है एक दिन में. 4 divided by 4 by 3 gives me 4 into 3 by 4, 3 cows. Or you can, if you don't want to use the formula, you have another way. If 4 by 3 liter of milk given by 1 cow, then 4 liter milk given by 1 divided by 4 by 3 into 4 gives you 3 cows. So if you don't want to use the formula, you can use this way. Now your last question is, 4 by 7 of birthday cake was eaten on your birthday. Suppose you have birthday and we consider that fraction of the cake is equal to 1 part. Cake was eaten, 4 by 7 part was eaten, and how much part was left? Cake was left on birthday. 1 minus 4 by 7 gives you 3 by 7 part was left on birthday. Now consumed on the next day, that is by your dad. That is 1 by 2 of 3 by 7 gives you 3 by 14 parts. So it means if half part is eaten by dad, so how much is left? Half part is left, that is 3 by 14. That is same 3 by 14 part is left to eat. There are some important question also for extra question for quick revision. A bike runs 15 into 3 by 5 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. If 2 into 1 by 2 liter of petrol is left in bike, then how far can it go? You have to find if 1 liter gives a ride of 50 into 3 by 5 kilometer, then if 2 into half liter gives a ride of how much kilometer, you have to find. If 1 liter covers 50 into 3 by 5 किलोमीटर, अगर 1 लीटर में 50 into 3 by 5 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस कवर होता है, तो 2 into हाफ लीटर में कितना होगा? You have to multiply with the unit quantity. 50 into 3 by 5 into 2 by 2 into 1 by 2 kilometer. When you multiply, you will get 253 by 5 into 5 by 2. 5 is cancelled. 253 by 2, and your mixed fraction is 216 into half kilometer. It means in 2 into half liter, bike will cover the distance 126 into 1 by 2 kilometer. And last two questions. A length of the road is 16 into 8 by 11 meter. अगर आपको एक पूरी एक रॉड दी गई है, ओके, 16 into 8 by 11 मीटर की इसकी लेंथ है. How many pieces of length 4 by 11 meter can be cut from this rod? कि अगर इसको आप इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करो 4 by 11 मीटर के, 4 by 11 मीटर के, तो इस पूरी रोड के कितने पार्ट्स होंगे जो 4 by 11 मीटर की फॉर्म में कट किए जाएंगे? तो इट मीन्स यू हैव टू डिवाइड दिस इनटू 4 by 11 मीटर फॉर्म. सो नंबर ऑफ पीसेज इज, your formula is length of rod is length of rod divided by length of one piece. Like I already told you, if you find the quantity, total quantity should be written in the numerator and unit quantity should be written in the denominator to find the number of quantity. Number of pieces, length of rod divided by length of one piece. When you divide 16 into 8 by 11 divided by 4 by 11 gives you 184 by 4, that is 46 pieces. Or you can do with the unit method. If you don't want to use the formula, you can say that 1 by 11 meter cover, 4 by 11 meter covers one part, one piece, and 16 into 8 by 11 meter covers how much piece? That is 16 into 8 by 11 divided by 4 by 11 pieces. If you don't want to use the formula, you can use with the unitary method. If 4 by 11 meter is equal to 1 piece, then 16 into 8 by 11 meter is equal to 16 into 8 by 11 divided by 4 and 4 by 11 pieces. That gives you 46 pieces. Now the price of 1 kg of apple is rupees 38 into 3 by 5. अगर 1 किलो एप्पल का जो प्राइस है 30 into 3 by 5 रुपीज़ है, तो 2 into 4 by 7 kg ऑफ एप्पल का प्राइस कितना होगा? Cost of 1 kg of apple is 38 into 3 by 5 rupees, and cost of 2 into 4 by 7 kg of apples. You have to multiply with the unit quantity again. After multiplication, you will get 99 into 9 by 35 rupees. Thank you. Have a nice day.